Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's tutorial I'm going to show you all how I was able to tie this gele. If you're just watching me for the first time, thank you for watching this video. I love you so much. Please subscribe, like, share, and also comment in the comment section. I want to see all your reviews. I really love it when you guys comment, when you share. And if you are also a returning subscriber, thank you for watching this video. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. I can't thank you all enough. You guys are the best. So on today's tutorial I'm going to be using two types of gele. One is a satin fabric and the other is an Aso'Oke. So what I did was to place the satin fabric on her head, and before doing that I made pleats, and I'm just going to make sure that one hand of the fabric stays on top her ear and the other hand goes behind her ear. So at this point I'm going to repeat the same process on this Aso'Oke. I'm going to make pleats and then place one hand of the Aso'Oke on top her ear like this, and the other hand will go behind her ear so that it can give me a V in front. So guys, the rule for this gele tutorial today is 50-50. You have to make sure that the both hands of your gele are equal. So at this point I'm just going to pick the both hands of my gele and I'm going to twist them in opposite directions like this. Just make sure that you are holding the two different colors that you are using on her head. So at this point I'm going to hold the Aso'Oke and I'm going to make a rose on top her head like this. So once you're done doing that, pick the satin fabric and just create a little ruffle on top the rose that you've made with the Aso'Oke. So I'm going to pick the both hands of the gele that I have left, and I'm just going to repeat the same process all over again. So I'm going to hold the both hands of the gele and I'm just going to twist them in opposite direction like this. I'm basically repeating the same process, just that in this one the satin fabric is going to be the rose while the Aso'Oke is going to be the ruffle on top the satin fabric. You know, when we made the first one, the Aso'Oke was the rose while the satin fabric was the ruffle on top the rose. But for this one I'm going to make the satin fabric the rose under, while the Aso'Oke is just going to be the ruffle on top the satin fabric. You must not necessarily use satin fabric and Aso'Oke. If you just have only Aso'Oke with two different colors, you can definitely achieve this. At this point, I'm going to put the Aso'Oke, the purple Aso'Oke, on top the satin ruffle that I have made, and I'm just going to pin everything down like that. This is so that people cannot easily know how you were able to achieve this, like how this was tied and all. So I'm quickly going to show you all what the back of the gele should look like. You can actually open it at the back, or you can just close it. It depends on what you want, but for me today, I'm going to open the gele at the back. Thank you all so much for watching. I do hope that this tutorial has been helpful. If it has, please don't forget to comment in the comment section, like, share, and also turn on your notification button so that each time I post, you'll be the first to know. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.